Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Types of company. There are several differences in the structure of maintaining accounts and accounting reports, audit, etc. between various types of companies. Statutory company. Companies incorporated under special act passed by the state legislature or parliament like Unit Trust of India, Life Insurance Company, Corporation, Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, etc. Such companies are not required to use the word limited as part of their name. The accounts of these companies are audited by Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and they are publicly accountable to the state legislature, parliament. Government company. Company in which at least 51% of the paid up share capital is held by the central government, state government, and includes a company which is a subsidiary company of a government company. Foreign company. Company which is incorporated in a country outside of India under the law of that country and has a place of business in India. Limited company. Company in which liability of members is limited by shares or guarantee. Unlimited company. Company in which the liability of shareholders is not restricted. An unlimited company may or may not have any share capital. It may be a public or private company. Public company. Company which is not a private company having minimum paid up capital of 5 lakhs or is a private company which is a subsidiary of a company which is not a private company. Private company. Private company is a company which has a minimum paid up capital of 1 lakh rupees and which by its articles restricts the rights of members to transfer its shares, limits the number of its members to 50, of course not including the employee or formal employee in some cases, and prohibits any invitation to the public to subscribe any shares in or in debentures of the company. Holding and subsidiary company. Holding company. Company which has control over another company. Subsidiary company. A company becomes a subsidiary company when other company controls or holds 51% of or more of its paid up share capital, or has right to appoint directors on its board, or is a subsidiary of its another subsidiary company. Listed company. Companies whose securities are listed in stock exchange for trading. Unlisted company. Companies whose securities are not listed in any stock exchange for trading. Investment company. Companies engaged in acquiring, holding and dealing in shares and securities. Finance company. Non-banking institutions company carrying business of lending and borrowing money, acquiring shares, securities, bonds, etc., financing hire purchase transactions, housing, etc. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.